In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot access issues with ChatGPT by going through a few essential steps to ensure everything is running smoothly. Whether you're a regular user or just getting started with ChatGPT, understanding how to address access problems can save you time and help you get back to your tasks with minimal interruption. First, let's check the OpenAI status page for any ongoing issues. Head over to status.openai.com to see if there are any active incidents that might be affecting ChatGPT. This is a crucial step as OpenAI might be carrying out maintenance work or dealing with outages that could be impacting your connection. If you discover that there's an active incident, then all you can do is wait patiently for OpenAI to resolve it before attempting to use ChatGPT again. Once you've verified the status of OpenAI, let's move on to refreshing your connection. Simply reloading the ChatGPT page might be enough to solve connectivity hiccups. If you continue to experience issues, you might want to try accessing ChatGPT through a different web browser. Sometimes, a fresh browser instance might just do the trick. Additionally, clearing cache and cookies can often resolve unexplained connectivity issues. These temporary files stored by your browser can sometimes interfere with its functioning, so giving your browser a little cleanup might help. Also, consider disabling any extensions like ad blockers or VPNs. These tools, while helpful for privacy and a seamless browsing experience, can sometimes block necessary access points and unwittingly disrupt your connection to ChatGPT. If refreshing your connection doesn't help, trying another access point might be the solution. Switch over to a different Wi-Fi network if that's an option for you, or use your mobile data instead. Sometimes network-specific settings can limit your access to certain websites or services. If you're relying on a VPN to mask your location or secure your connection, turning it off might be worth a try. Alternatively, switch to another region within your VPN settings. This can help you bypass location-specific restrictions that might be causing the issue. Updating your app or browser is another effective troubleshooting step. If you're using the ChatGPT mobile app, ensure that it's updated to the latest version. App updates often come with performance improvements and bug fixes that can enhance functionality. For those using ChatGPT in a desktop browser, make sure you're running the latest version of Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Browsers that are not updated to their latest versions can sometimes have issues with newer web applications or changes in security protocols. By following these steps, you'll be troubleshooting ChatGPT access issues effectively. Each step guides you through systematic changes designed to isolate and solve common connectivity problems, ensuring a more seamless and efficient experience with ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Feel free to come back to this guide whenever you need.